Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will cover another special register of IBM DB2, which is current server. So this register is mainly used to fetch the current server name from the system. As its name is indicating, it is for current server. So to use this function or to use this special register, you can create your own SQLRPGLE program as I am doing here. So here what we can do, so you can just declare one constant SQL state underscore valid as we always do, because this constant we will use to verify the query after the query execution. Okay. After that, we have declared this result variable, and this is of type character of length 20. This variable we will use to store the output which we are retrieving from the query. Afterwards we have set the commitment control to star none, which is optional thing for you. And here we are using the actual query. So in the actual query I'm using the special register. So for that you just need to write exec SQL, which is for execute SQL. Select current server, which is my special register name, current space server, into host variable is result. So what it will do, it will fetch the current server name and store it into the host variable result, and it is coming from sysibm.systeme1. Okay, so once your query is executed, we will verify the SQL state. So here I'm checking if SQL state is equal to SQL state underscore valid, which is the constant we have declared, right? So if it is equal, we will print the message result, else we will print the SQL state with the message query ended with an error, then simply endif inlr on. Okay, so syntax is simple because this is not function, so we are not going to pass anything. We just need to write current server and that's it. So let's quickly compile this program and call it. You can see it is printing the server name as pub400 because we are using the public server, and here you can also see it is the server name, right? So this is how we can use or fetch the server name inside SQLRPGLE program. Now I will show you how we can use it over the normal strSQL. So here I'm using the same query just with the alias name. So I just write current server, select current server as server name from sysibm.systeme1. This is a system library and file. Then simply hit enter. You can see it is printing the server name as pub400. So this is how we can easily utilize this special register current server. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.